My research project was about untangling the complex relationships between high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, and a lot of other medical conditions that all work together to contribute to dementia risk. I have an aunt and grandpa who are both diagnosed with hypertension, and so this has a lot of personal meaning to me because, especially in Asian and immigrant families, I've noticed that a lot of these conditions go untalked about, and I'm worried this could lead to a lot of other serious implications down the road. And I also have a lot of family members who are diagnosed with dementia as well, so this is definitely a very emotional project. It hits close to home. Dementia is just something that we still don't understand fully, and if I could just entangle like one confounding factor or one part contributes to this really serious disease, then I think a lot of my goals have been fulfilled. For my research project, I interviewed 3 different clinicians, and they were all in pretty different fields. So I think a really important aspect that it boils down to is, we still see a lot of socioeconomic disparities in the healthcare field. This poses a lot of risk for later health complications down the road. Those interviews really gave a socioeconomic perspective on, okay, so we're understanding more about this relationship between hypertension and dementia, but how can we really apply that knowledge to, administering treatment and making sure that everyone is treated the same in healthcare. So that's part of why I really want to become a physician, because science is not just objective. It's not just about collecting the data and coming to conclusion. It's really about interacting with people and making sure that this knowledge is applied equitably so that we can really just improve the quality of life for everyone. And so I really care about bridging that data and patient aspects together. I think they have to go hand in hand. Winning the Ling Prize is definitely going to have a huge impact. For one thing, I feel like it just validates all of the hard work that I've done for this project, and so I'm just really proud. But also I think it motivates me to continue doing research like this in the future.